Hello everybody, this is a Lamley Super Showcase. We're going Hot Wheels B Case today, showing you some of the highlights from the B Case, which is hitting stores now. This one came from Wheel Collectors, our friends at Wheel Collectors. They got some B Cases. We did the quick case report a few days ago. I'm hoping to do an unboxing soon, but for now we will focus on the highlights. These are the models that I requested from them to show to you. And then on top of that, Mattel sent over the B Case Super, which we will open up as well. But let's get to these highlights. I've cut open this envelope. They try and get these to me as quickly as I can. We had a holiday on Monday, so these arrived on Wednesday. And let's just go like this. Let's just pull them out, and let's show them as we get them. If we can just get them. Golly. Jeez. These are the ones that I thought were the highlights. We start with the Custom 72 Chevy Love. This is a Chevy truck. It is also a Japanese truck. I think an Isuzu, if I remember correctly. I like the first version of this, which was in stock. This one is somewhat like that because of the side. Obviously, the body is not stock, but this is more of a modified one, but it's nice to see. I like the wheels on it. I think that one is a worthy addition to the collection. All right, this is the one that I think will be the highlight for many. It is the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, excuse me. There is the artwork. Here is the model. This one is tremendous. Dima talked about this at the preview that we did from the convention. He gave all the details. I would refer you back to that. There's a link above. You can go to that, and you can see how cool this model is. I love the proportions. Look this model up, and you'll see how wonderfully done this was. For a basic model, I think that is really, really nice. So that is probably the highlight. I'm just pulling them out. We're just going. Here's another one. This one leaves me excited and a little bit disappointed because this is the Nissan Skyline RS. It's the DR30 as it's well known. What am I happy about? Well, it's fantastic. It's a great, great casting. And the way they designed it, they can do the black half in the bottom, and they put, so you can see the RS Turbo, which is there. What am I not happy about? Well, why put the stripes there? You don't need it. I see the Greddy logo, I know, but they don't need the stripes. Just make it white. We had the gray one and the red one. We don't have to stop doing stock versions. I think this one is cool. I might have to take those stripes off in at least one of those versions. So I like it, but man, I just wish it was just plain white. Okay, thought this Ranchero was nice looking. This is the 72 Ford Ranchero in black. It's a cool casting. Nice to see this one done. This was a Super a few years ago, right? I think I remember that. Next one. Really, really nice version of the 95 Mazda RX-7. It's from the Speed Graphics series. It has the Hot Wheels logo on and a whole bunch of other stuff, including the Mazda and the Mad Mike logo on the roof. This one has to always have the 10 spokes. I think that's what looks best on this one. Really, really nice in black. I'll have to do an update on the RX-7 here in, I don't know, maybe on the Lamley Extras channel. I've been doing those up-to-date videos. You just tell me what models you want to see. Another highlight. This is the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. Brand new casting. A lot of people excited about this one. And I can see why. This one is unique. And it's really nicely done. Really, really kind of classic model. And it's a 49 Beetle, so you've got the classic Beetle style there. What's next? Oh, but as much as I like that one, I like this one even more. You guys know my daughter's going to be super excited about this one. I'll have to go show her. Moon Eyes is back. Anything Moon Eyes is exciting. And what a great match. The Kafer Racer with the Moon Eyes logo, and I love that moon on the spoiler. Total winner there. I think that is by far, we had Urban Outlaw. I have the Golf Toy Fair version. I'm doing an update on this one too because that one is super, super cool. All right. 2018 Camaro SS. This, I believe, was a special edition, right? Last year. And now we have it as part of the Speed Graphics series in Brembo. I think that one is nice. This one, too tough. It is a fantasy casting, a generic casting, but I got it because of the wheels. Those are the new off-road style wheel. Demon named it. I can't remember the name offhand, so it's on that preview video. He had a name for the wheels. The casting is nice. I think it's probably going to be used for play sets and other things because they just have a truck type style. I think Matchbox does that too. They do the unlicensed models. It makes it a little easier for play sets to use just a fantasy casting as opposed to trying to get through all of the licensing approvals. Okay, I thought this one was great. Wow. Okay, this is weird. Is there another... Look at this. Do you see that? There's your... I mean, this was a little bent. But this one is super thick. I think there's 2 cards there. Check it out. Okay. Yep. Look at that. Should we try and... I mean, what are we gonna... Look at that. Huh. 2 cards. Well, that's kind of interesting. Never had that before. I don't know what to make of it. Obviously, I can't... You know, it's not a clean card, but that's kind of interesting to have that on film. That seemed very, very thick when I pulled it out. And this is the 64 Chevy Chevelle, and it is so nice in that color. Just a great combination with the Steelies. I think that one is a winner. That one's going in the collection. That one is super, super cool. One left, right? And sure enough, how about that, wheel collectors? Packing it in such a way that this is the last one. Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34. It is from the Nissan series. A little beat up there. That doesn't matter because it's getting ripped open. And it looks so nice in green. Taillights are done. And a very nice looking stripe on the side. Very understated. I love the olive color. Now, there's some things that I know. I know that Jimmy Lou from marketing, the one who has been very integral in getting us some of these cool car culture models, had a hand in developing the Nissan Silvia S15. I also know that Jimmy loves the R34 casting, and I also know that he loves the color olive green. So my guess is he had a hand in this, and then I know he had a hand in it because when you look at the Super Treasure Hunt and you look at what's different, the TH logo is on the hood. Let's see if I can get this in the light. Right, there it is. TH logo is on the hood, and right above that, J. Lou for Jimmy Lou. He's saying hello. He's giving you a little Easter egg, and I'm giving it away. These are the 2 models. Beautiful regular. Just, I would be happy with this one, but I'll add to the excitement that this is the new Spectre Flame olive green R34 Super Treasure Hunt sent over here by Mattel. What do you think? Tremendously cool model, and the shout out to J. Lou on the Super Treasure Hunt couldn't be more appropriate. I don't know if Jimmy got it done or if someone did it for him just because they know he loves this car and he loves this color. So this is Jimmy's car. We'll call it Jimmy's Skyline when I give it a nickname. Jimmy's Super Treasure Hunt, the R34 Skyline. Thanks to wheel collectors for sending these over. Thanks to Mattel for sending over the Super Treasure Hunt so I can show it to you. Go to Wheel Collectors at the link down below if you want to try and buy these models, or go to your local store. They're hitting now. Thanks, everybody. Got more to come. Bye.